Hi, I'm Sylvia Tiala. I'd like to show you a few of the prototyping and innovation spaces here at UW-Stout's Fab Lab. I have my safety glasses on and I'm ready to go, so come on, follow me, let's go. I've taught at the high school and college level before and find that when people enter a new space, they feel a little uncomfortable. I do too. So let's take a few minutes to explore our Fab Lab and look at the machines and tools that are available to you. Let's go, come on. There's two ways to enter the Fab Lab. One is through Applied Arts and the Applied Arts 132 door. The other is through the doors on the south side of the building, which go to the outside. When you first come into the Fab Lab, you're going to want to make sure you flip the power switches on. And to make sure that all the power is onto the equipment, you're going to want to make sure the main power switch is on, and you're also going to want to hit the start button. That will make sure that there's power on to all the equipment before you start. We also have 3 fire extinguishers in the lab. The first one is here at the door. The second one is in the middle of the room on the south side of the building. And the third one is on the far end on the east side of the building that will allow you to access fire extinguishers. To the left of the main entrance, you're going to find a number of items for cleanup. The sink is available to wash your hands, brooms and dustpans to clean the floor, and an eye wash station in case you get something in your eye. In addition, right above the eye wash station, you're going to find some dust masks in case you need them. And you're also going to find the earplug station. So if there's loud tools or machines going on to protect your hearing, please use the earplugs. We'll take a look at the rest of the machines, so follow me. There are 5 basic machines that we use in the Fab Lab. We'll start taking a look at them here at the northwest corner, and then we'll go counterclockwise around the lab. The first 2 machines, both of these are laser engravers, and they both cut and engrave. And examples of what they will do are shown here. This is an engraving. This is something that's cut. So these machines will cut plastic, wood, and a variety of other items. This is one of the places you'll get started in the Fab Lab. The vinyl cutter is used to cut out different shapes in vinyl. You can also cut electronic circuits with the vinyl cutter. This is the second machine that we find in the Fab Lab. The Shopbot is a CNC mill, a computer numerical controlled mill that takes different size of tool bits, such as this one, to cut out shapes using a router that moves on an XYZ plane. With the Shopbot, you're able to make items such as this stool and tables that you're going to find here in the lab. This is the MakerBot. It's one of 2 3D printers we have in the lab. It's pretty cool because you can take 3D files that you get from pictures you take or from drawings you make, and you can print them then in either 2 colors or in 1 color. It's a good way to take 2D files and create 3D objects from them. This is the Modella Mini Mill. It's one of 2 smaller CNC mills we have here in the Fab Lab. What we do is we take a drawing, like this one on the screen, and convert it into an electrical circuit that looks something like this. We can also use the mill to shape wax, and with further processing can be turned into a metal form, something like this. We have a couple of 3D scanners here in UW-Stout's Fab Lab. The first one is this Next Engine 3D scanner, which will scan smaller objects such as this palm tree. We're also looking at ways to get larger scans, such as those of human bodies. We're using a computer, Skinect software, and an Xbox Connect. We found some other ways to do that too, using 123D Catch. These are a couple ways we're looking at to get larger scans of people and objects. Remember those circuits I showed you on the Modella Mini Mill? They look something like this. At this station, the electronics station, you're going to use different components and put them on that circuit board, and then you'll have your final circuits. This station is where you can find all the small components you need in the drawers test equipment, soldering irons, and things like that to get your electronic devices up and working. There are several spaces that you can use here in the lab to collaborate with each other. This is one of those spaces. If you take a look on the left, you'll see that there's the Polycom. That's the way we connect to other Fab Labs around the world. So if you're able to connect with a lab, there should be somebody online 24/7. You can get additional help or design help from using the Polycom. In addition, we have this classroom area here, and we also have an office space in the back. The office space has a refrigerator as well as a popcorn maker. If you're here for a long period of time, you may want to throw your sack lunch in there. Just make sure you clean up your mess when you're done. Finally, there's a design space up in the loft. We have whiteboards, TV, collaborative spaces for drawing, some computers. You can use that space to collaborate as well. This should help make your Fab Lab experience here complete for designing and prototyping.